exactly your lordship বলেছে তো
So the separate
post
that to be considered.
অনেক সময় একটু অনেক করেছে একটু বস এটা আমাকে একটু শুনতে আরে 2 মিনিট একটু
Yes, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
হ্যাঁ
Yes, you start.
my lord kindly see I just tell you lordship ভাই এবারে now my turn my lord kindly see you will give the answer you will
I will hear you later. Yes.
my lord kindly just I take your lordship from the very basic thing let us tell your lordship the facts there was a selection in 2016 in selection there is a panel.
You are representing whom?
I'm a SSC. Panel is prepared. Who are unsuccessful? Those whose names are not in the panel. Correct? In the panel, those names were their panel. High Court directed to make a CBI inquiry. Right? From there, tainted, untainted categorization have come. These disqualified persons, in their cases, it has not been done.
Yes,
These disqualified persons, whether tainted or whether untainted, nobody knows. What has happened? Ultimately, entire selection process is gone. Their selection process is gone also. Those who are selected, their selection process have gone also. Therefore, all selection process has gone. What the Supreme Court has done, all appointments are set aside. First order. I'm coming later. All appointments are set aside. Whether tainted would remain or untainted, all appointments are set aside. What is the consequence? Nobody in the employment from the selection. Selection process is illegal. Whether unqualified or qualified. Their cases are not scrutinized, their cases have been scrutinized. Selection process itself is set aside as tainted. Selection process has been set aside as faulty. No right to them, no right to others. On the date of the Milord, first date of the judgment, that is that is the page. 3rd April, Supreme Court judgment. Let me read the judgment. That will give. Milord, kindly see the 3rd April judgment. What page? আমার এখানে দাগ দেয়া আছে দিন না kindly come to paragraph first 75 Milord, it has been set aside etc it has been shown to you lord so I don't need to require to show all have been set aside now your lordship kindly come to first paragraph 70 আরে ভাই তুমি দাঁড়াও না ভাই তোদের এক দোষ হয়েছে ওখানে হচ্ছে শামিম আর এখানে হচ্ছে তুই
yes, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
Kindly come to Milord, page first 46.
Paragraph 46.
Yes. For candidates not specifically found to be tainted, the entire selection process has been rightly declared null and void due to the egregious violation and illegalities which violates Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution. As such, the appointment of these candidates are cancelled, all cancelled. Selection process is gone. However, candidates who are already employed need not be asked to refund or restitute any payments made to them. However, their services will be terminated. Furthermore, no candidates can be appointed once the examination process and results have been declared void. This is the order. No candidates can be appointed on the basis of that selection. Whether it's unsuccessful, whether tainted, whether untainted, no one can be appointed from that selection process. Not future selection process. Not future selection process. From that selection process.
How you are submitting this? Come to paragraph.
I just give me time. Give me time.
No, because we have to consider it in the light of the order.
I am coming, sir. I am coming. Just give me time, sir. Kindly. Give me time.
We cannot attribute our own interpretation.
No. I am saying, I have my submission.
Yes.
I have my interpretation. Your lordship may accept or may not
The
accept.
court can ask Mr. Bandyopadhyay
Yes.
for SSC that if this submission is found to be in teeth with the order of the Supreme Court.
Absolutely, I am coming. I am making first this judgment's first interpretation. I am saying on that date, I have started with the submission on that date of the judgment has been delivered. Therefore, on that date, everybody should go.
Yes.
And that I am submitting. Possibly I was not clear to your lordships. On that date, now kindly come 47. Type to 47 paragraph. Come to 47. Some of the appointed candidates who do not fall within the category of the tainted candidates, kindly see, may have previously worked in different departments of the state government or with autonomous bodies, etc.
That is not relevant.
In such case, all their appointments are cancelled. See, cancelled. But the candidates will have the right to apply to the previous department or autonomous body online in service because their continuity in service. Paragraph 47 is specifically for
some of the appointed candidates who do not fall within the category of tainted.
Correct. Those who are working in other department, they will go there. And
Repatriation was
and there and
even necessary by creating
supernumerary and their continuity service has not been disturbed,
interfered with, right?
But
that is confined to tainted candidates. And
they're untainted. I am saying that is an untainted. This benefit has been given by the Supreme Court. Then kindly come to Miller, paragraph 49. The disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required with age relaxation and other concession. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically tainted will also be eligible to participate with appropriate age relaxation. Kindly read this line. Only for the untainted candidates there would be age relaxation. But untainted candidates will not be appointed. That's not there. Tainted. So for the untainted candidates, age relaxation will be there. Age relaxation will not be for any other candidates excepting the untainted candidates. This sentence doesn't mean that tainted candidates cannot make application without any age relaxation, or this had not been made for the candidates which application can be made, even the who are unsuccessful, where selection process has been set aside. Kindly read this.
Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically
in our similarly other candidates
who are
not
tainted
specifically
will
tainted
also be
eligible to participate with appropriate age relaxation.
Yes.
Participate
excluding tainted candidates.
No. No, my lord. No.
Yes.
But this is our.
That cannot be a clarification.
But that
clarification I didn't expect from Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
No. This is my clarification.
Yes.
This is clarification.
Yes, Mr. Bandyopadhyay. I am eager to get an explanation from you.
No.
Which is.
My lord, your lordships may not accept but don't be annoyed.
No, I am not annoyed.
Don't be annoyed.
Also expressing my mind.
No.
So that you can respond.
Yes, all right, but not with annoyance.
No, not at all.
Not at that.
But I am also seeing your annoyance not being permitted to make an argument within time. From
not being permitted to do?
Yes, you are saying that from 12:30 I have other matters. Allow others to.
Why you are mixing up all these issues? Then you could have taken it. I am stopping it.
Because accepting your submission and your request, I fix the matter today.
Correct. I am not saying so. But I expected also item 1 is finished. Item 1 I will argue. But your lordships will.
All the matters, if separately matters have to.
No.
Also appreciate the
predicament of this. My lord, I am not come here to quarrel with your lordships. I have not come up to quarrel with you.
No. Why should
I am not come? I am not. No. My lord, I am a very small lawyer. Why should I quarrel with a great judge of Calcutta High Court?
That knows everybody that you are a very small lawyer.
Yes.
But
I am very small lawyer.
That
great judge can. That's all right.
Query.
Yeah, of course, I am giving an answer.
Any senior advocate.
But I am the
beauty of our constitution. Now the thing is this, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, paragraph 49. Your submission is this.
Beauty of our constitution is this. if the judge does not accept the submission of a senior lawyer, then judge would become annoyed. This is not duty.
No, I am not at all annoyed. This is a way the court, this court generally responds.
Listen.
Yes. And at the same time, court also expects that there is no annoyance from from a senior advocate like Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
Why should I?
Because others are
I am not.
Others are looking at you, they are learning from you.
But I will not argue better.
Yes, please proceed. Please proceed, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
No.
Yes.
No, I will not argue.
Please proceed.
Your lordship is making very caustic remarks.
Yes, Mr.
Never anybody has made such a caustic remark.
Mr.
No, I will not argue. You are a great judge. I will not.
Court is eager to hear it.
No, go. You are so. I don't know. Days are changed.
Yes.
That much I can say. Days are changed.
So therefore,
My lord, kindly see.
Yes.
My argument is this will also eligible to participate with appropriate age relaxation.
Therefore, your argument is this in a short campus with regard to paragraph 49 is this: those who are tainted, they will not get age relaxation. Those who are not tainted, those who are untainted, they will get the benefit of age
relaxation.
That is
my argument. That is my argument. And whole rule is based on this. It's an open category. Open category. Now, as it would above these candidates to
just a minute.
Now, if you restrict it,
yes,
my lord, kindly see, if your lordship restrict it, just for another view I am giving, if your lordship, then only untainted candidates can apply. Neither tainted, not the unsuccessful candidates.
Couldn't follow. Yes, please repeat it again.
Let's assume that your lordship, if your lordship says only untainted candidates will apply, then in that case, my submission, interpretation has to be given. Neither the tainted candidates can apply, nor unsuccessful candidates can apply, though otherwise eligible. Kindly appreciate this. That is the reason I have started with this. See, the inquiry was only for the panel candidate. Inquiry was not there for the unsuccessful candidates. We do not know who are tainted or who are untainted amongst them.
But is it required to enter into the this issue after the order passed by the Supreme Court, specifically prohibiting tainted candidates to participate?
I am submitting. Here is no prohibition of any other person. No person is prohibited to make an application. This is my submission.
Now, your submission is that untainted as well as unsuccessful in 2016 selection process will not be permitted.
No.
If that is accepted.
If this interpretation is accepted, that only the untainted candidates would be given the chance with the age relaxation, then tainted and unsuccessful candidates are also barred.
Why unsuccessful candidates?
Why not?
Clubbed with?
Why not?
With tainted?
Why not? Did we make any inquiry whether they were tainted or untainted? Inquiry was tainted or untainted. They were unsuccessful. Nobody. Kindly see, my lord. Just excuse me. At any point of time, unsuccessful candidates' fate was not discussed because they are not entitled to. If an interpretation is made, I am submitting, my lord. I am submitting that this with appropriate age relaxation means only in the case of untainted appropriate age relaxation. But it is open to all. But it is open to all. But it is, if it is interpreted that only the untainted candidate can make application of that selection process, then accepting untainted, Neither tainted nor unsuccessful candidates can make an application.
Only simple question I am asking.
My lord,
In
I will
view-
try to give answer.
In view of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court,
Oh, yes.
or judgment of the Supreme Court dated 3rd April 2025,
Yes.
read with the order passed on an application dated 17th
Correct,
April
correct.
2025, whether tainted candidates should be permitted to participate in the selection
Correct.
process.
This is your question.
Yes.
I am giving you answer. Come. This is the only question, nothing more than that. Now, what has happened? All termination. Effect of 3rd July order is a termination. 3rd July, no?
Yes,
3rd April, sorry.
3rd April.
3rd April, all termination. Tainted, untainted, all termination. Now, from April, there are vacancies. This untainted were not going on in the employment. Then who made an application? Board made an application. Not the state, not the SSC. What they have said, kindly allow us to to make the interview complete. Until that, kindly allow us to continue with this. For which classes? They have made an elaborate application. Now, what the Supreme Court said? Kindly come to page 86 first.
Paragraph?
Page 86 is the order. Let me read this.
No, tell me the paragraph, because I am
No, kindly from the top.
order dated.
The order dated, that order what your lordship was referring to? 17th April.
17th April. Just. Yes, 17th April.
We are inclined to accept the prayer made in the present application in so far as it relates to assistant teachers for classes 9 and 10, classes 9 and 12, not found to be tainted, subject to the following condition. We are ready to accept. Prayer for what? Prayer for continuation of their service until the selection process is made. That was a prayer by the board. Now, kindly read again. Kindly excuse me. Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
তোমরা এরকম করো কেন বলো তো? We are inclined to accept the prayer made in the present application in so far as it relates to assistant teachers for classes 9 and 10 and class 11 and 12, not found to be tainted, subject to the following condition.
That is, according to you, is this with relation to their continuation
of service, not for any other
has
reason.
been extended till 31st of December.
Correct.
Yes.
Those who are untainted, let us kindly see, Group CD they have not given. Group CB also tainted,
To that
untainted.
extent, there is an observation in this.
That's right. Group CB did that. Only for 9 and 10 and 11 and 12, continue with this service. That doesn't mean no, they will continue with this service till doomsday. No. They have to come through a selection process if they continue up 31st December.
But subsequent directions?
I am coming, Milan. Therefore, this is only for continuation of appointment, not for any other factors. Next, an advertisement for fresh recruitment to the aforesaid posts. Post means 9 and 12. We have not done other, only 9 and 12.
9 to 12, yes.
9, 10, 11, 12. Subject shall be published before 31st May. We have done it. The examination and the entire recruitment process shall be completed by 31st December 2025. The state government, the appellant, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education and the West Bengal Central School Service Commission shall file their respective affidavits by 31st May 2025. Enclosing therewith a copy of the advertisement for the fresh recruitment as well as the schedule. Therefore, as so as to ensure completion of the recruitment process by 31st December 2025. In case the advertisement is not published and the affidavits are not filed by the court, appropriate orders will be passed by this court, including imposition of cost and vacating of the present.